There was a gap between required and available training in the society. So we decided to build a business to bridge this gap. I was already nurturing few traders on my desk, but it was consuming huge amount of personal time and effort. Hence, it didn't seem a sustainable approach from a long-term perspective. That's when we came up with this idea of launching YAK trading, which will be a new diversified business for us as well as fulfilling our long-term goals of developing a structured at YAK. Our vision is to impart fruitful and practical knowledge. As I already said, we want to build a huge prop desk, giving opportunities to all the skillful traders pan India. After spending over a decade in the money markets, we have realized that there is huge lack of financial awareness in the society. At YAK, our aim is to spread financial literacy to a deep level such that people can manage their personal finances in the most optimal manner. Myself, Anil Hudda. I'm the co-founder of YAK Trading. So let me tell you about myself and my personal journey. I did my schooling from Jaipur, and thereafter I moved to IIT Kharagpur for engineering, and I did my MBA from IIM Lucknow. So basically my trading journey started from IIM Lucknow itself. In our second year we had a subject on future options and market derivatives. We got our theoretical knowledge from that subject and started trading from that. So as an amateur, I also blown up some capital during my beginning phase. So I basically started from option buying, and which was not a viable option to start with. And generally happens in beginner, greed overpowers their whole trading approach. Which happened the same with me. So my capital was blown up, and I got a placement in Namura in risk management division. So I started with a fresh approach. I learned about risk management there, and I worked for 3 years in Namura and RBS in the risk management division. Uh, During that time, risk was ingrained into my mind, and I understood the importance of managing the risk in trading. During the same phase, I accumulated some risk capital and was trading along with that. After 3 years of experience, I decided to jump into full-time trading. After jumping into full-time trading, my overall journey has been an uphill journey, and I have grown my capital from there itself. I started with 30 lakhs in 2017, and currently trading at 40 CR. And it has been a great journey. I learned various aspects in these, but along with growing capital, I also felt the need of few helping hands into managing my capital. So this need eventually led me to co-founding YAK Trading.